Namaskaram. World is a where are you? Myself Mia. And welcome to Mia Outlet from that place anybody can throw. In today's tutorial, I'm sharing how I throw a tattoo by pen. As I mentioned in the description in the first video where I described my past work, I've drawn small size tattoo just to show how to do it. The best thing about this is it lasts for 7 to 8 days by just taking care of certain things like don't scrub or rub it, don't wash it with soap. But yeah, if you want to get it off, then you can do so.
Danser sur des airs de guitare et puis tu bouges. Tes cheveux noirs, tes lèvres rouges, tes yeux balancent. Le reste n'a pas d'importance comme un soleil. Tu me brûles et me réveilles, tu as dans les yeux. Je suis le feu, je t'ai dans la peau. Baila, baila, oh.
Okay, hope you really enjoyed this art session. I love to hear from my audience, so note down your ways or queries in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, plus press the bell icon for future notifications. Besides, I also take commission work, so check out the contact link in the description below. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye. Take care.